In this video, we're going to take a look at how to load the Microsoft Excel files that I provided you that contain data that we're going to learn how to analyze. So these Excel files, once you've downloaded them, all you want to do when you're in your Google Drive is you want to create a new Google Sheets, okay, like you've been using. So blank spreadsheet, and you'll see we get the nice blank spreadsheet here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go File, Open, and anything you have loaded will appear here. But what you need to do is actually upload the files from your download folder or wherever you put those files when you grab them. So I'm going to say Upload, Browse. I'm going to go to my Downloads folder. And the first one I'll do here is I'll do Student Dataset. And I'll just double click it. And it's loading it in. This is basically just uploading it to Google Drive inside whatever folder you just made this sheet. And so it should just open automatically. If it doesn't open automatically, the next step you could do is File, Open, and you should see your recent today files that you just grabbed, right? So they should be here. So you can see there's my student data set. Okay. And that's how you get working with these files. Now you want to do this with each one as we work on them. In the following videos, I'm going to start with this file and then I'll open a few others. I recommend you sort of try to practice along, make sure you're getting the same results. The stuff we're going to do isn't difficult, but it's a little finicky the first time, right? You just have to get used to the interface and what it's going to be showing you data-wise. All right, that's it for this video.